Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a Sandpiper. It is a brand new Sandpiper, absolutely stunning. So if you're looking for a fifth wheel, a coach but has everything that you could possibly need, this might be the one for you. I'm excited to show you because the layout is a little bit different, but it is fantastic, and the color is really, really nice. And then with the natural light, it just looks a lot more spacious. It's just a really great unit. Now, I haven't been all the way to the back, so I'm gonna show you, of course, from the outside in, but we're gonna kind of look at it at the same time. So let's get started. All right, guys, we've got that Forest River Sandpiper. It's got two slides on this side and two slides on this side, and is a beauty. Now, the model is 3800RK, so it's got that rear kitchen. It's got two awnings as well. Let's see what we got. And of course, I will have the backup camera prep as well. All right, let's take a look inside. Absolutely beautiful. Love the couches. I love the colors. I like how they've kept it with that light side to it. All right, I like when you can be over here and then you can be over here as well. I absolutely love this. Then you also can be over here with your 3-burner, your oven, and your microwave. And look at all the storage, the cabinetry that you have, not only above, but also below. I mean, absolutely stunning. I love this. I love the layout. You've got a beautiful residential fridge. This thing is big and it's really nice. I love that charcoal color as well. Let's take a look inside. Plenty of space here. Plenty of space. It's bigger than mine. And then I love that you have this breakfast bar table. You can use it also for a desk. However, you do have your desk option over here as well. Absolutely love this. Now, these are also soft close door and drawers, so that is really, really nice as well. And I love the beautiful window right in front of that big sink. And then, of course, you do have a ton of counter space, and I love the backsplash as well. All right, right down here we've got our living area with all this space. I love how much space there is. You've got these beautiful cabinets above your entertainment. You've got a nice big fireplace, and of course all these big panoramic windows just make it more spacious. That feeling of I'm kind of feeling like I'm in a home. I feel comfortable, and I would love to see, if I'm out in the mountains, out on the beach, anywhere by water or trees, I get to see all of that around me, and I love that. All right, down the hall, we've got our laundry room, and who doesn't love a laundry room? You've got a ton of space here with storage. I mean, I love this little area specifically for your laundry. Love it. Up these stairs, you've got your master bedroom, and it is quite big. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then you've got your dressers right here. You can put your entertainment over here on the side if you wanted to. You've got little cubbies on over here on this side, plus right beside your head, where your head would lay. Absolutely. And of course, this is a king bed. So, you know, if you're looking for a king bed that you can actually walk on each side, this is a great unit. Now we have our bathroom. You've got the his and her, and you've got this nice, big, beautiful mirror. Plenty of space in here, plus you get to have a seat if you wanted to in this walk-in shower. And again, plenty of space, plenty of storage. You got little cubbies right here as well. And I really love when I see that, because we do, as women, always have these little odds and ends that this really does help. Now, I love these doors to the closet. Love them. They did really well in designing this. Let's see if I can, oh, there we go. And look how big this is. This is giant. So you definitely have enough space for all your clothes, I hope. But all your shoes, all your clothes, it's just so much space in this closet. And I love how they used it. So what do you guys think of this beautiful Sandpiper? I mean, I really want to know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, call, text, email. You know how to get a hold of me, but my information is in the description. You can come up and see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Would love to help you guys out. But until next time.